take away just the hairs.
That's cool.
I mean, sometimes it goes through, but it just makes it a lot harder.
I was wondering about that.
And if you're going to go to the effort of welding something to make it stay, you want it to be a good weld.
Yeah. I need to get some welding equipment from Harbor Freight.
Yeah, just make sure you get one that actually accepts gas.
Now I want to do like electric.
No, it ain't worth the crap.
It's not as good?
No, it'll never stay because you don't have anything. You're just essentially piling metal on top of metal.
Oh yeah?
The metal don't stick. You got to penetrate through, which is why it's gas.
Yeah.
I had a boy come in here first thing this morning and tried to want to use one of the Harbor Freight electric things.
Right.
That welded the exhaust on. I mean, it's broken. I mean, I talked to him last night at 5:55 in Plano, and he was here first thing this morning. It was already broke off, and I mean, it'll never stay.
Oh really?
It's good for like.
I mean, that's gonna have like a little stress on it right there, like hanging on that thing. So yeah, it needs to be good on that.
I mean, like for little household hobby projects or whatever, it's okay. But for your main stuff, like exhaust and like any sort of bars like this,
it's not as good.
No. But you can get there's one. I think it's a Vulcan 110 maybe.
Yeah.
From Harbor Freight. It's an orange one, orange and black. I think it's the Vulcan line.
Is that gas or electric?
It's gas. You can go get your little bottle of this mixed stuff from the welding supply store. It's very cheap. You know, $40 for a bottle lasts you probably, if you're just doing it for a hobby, I mean, it'll last you a year.
Oh, okay. So that's what I was wondering, like if the gas like runs out quickly.
I mean, for us, I mean, generally, like one of those big bottles here,
yeah.
You got to think probably that bottle sees 100-something welds a week. I mean, they usually go out every 3 weeks or so.
Every
so
3 weeks?
A small bottle like that one over there on that black bottle on that torch cart.
Yeah.
That'd be more than enough for you, and I think my buddy has one of those, and I've welded with it. It's actually not a bad little unit.
So it lasts a long time, it sounds like.
Yeah, I mean, and it's the same thing. I mean, he uses it every once in a while just to work on whatever he's got to work on, and then he goes on about his day. So, and it's not a bad little welder. So that's what I would do if I were you, if I was going to spend the money, because it's only like $20 more to get the gas one.
Yeah.
I mean, granted, you have to factor in the cost of gas, but again,
it's not too bad.
You're not doing it for a living or anything, so you're not going to have to constantly worry about your supply. So, but
yeah,
I'm ready for you to hold this in place with me, and then
sounds good. I brought some wrenches if you need. It's just a 10.
I'll go grab my old man's cart over there. My toolbox is all in Plano now, so that's where I work most of the time now. So.
Can you actually go blind looking at that?
Oh yeah.
That's what I heard. I knew a guy, he welded for like 10 years and he finally quit doing it.
That's not good.
He lost some of his sight.
Oh yeah. Let me go grab my sockets. Those should be.
Those are finger tight. Those are 13s, but they're just finger tight.
I'm still gonna grab the socket for them, so that way I can retighten them when I'm done.
Okay. Yeah, it's on that chain. That was easy if you got the tools, all the welding.
I heard,
Has that got gas and electric going through it? Like a combination?
I mean, because it's electric driven, but
it's gas welder?
It's a gas
welder. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know those were better.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Because otherwise you'll never get, like I say, you know, you just stack metal on top of metal, and
yeah.
it never does get any good.
That's good. They're like D-shaped or something.
They are. They're a little funky.
Yeah. That's the second Predator motor I've bought. I put one on another go-kart. I don't know if you were working here, but they welded a couple other go-karts for me.
I think I've done them every single time for the last while.
Yeah.
I know I've done a few of them for you.
And my kids lost interest in them, and I sold them.
I remember you telling me that one of the last time.
Yeah, but I should have kept one of them I had.
Oh, yeah.
I had a red one, my wife liked it. Yeah, I had a red one, like a suspension all the way around. It had a Honda motor in it, and those are nice motors.
I think I remember that.
I should have kept that one. My wife said, that was nice. I was like, yeah, I don't know why I sold it. But I wanted to buy a dirt bike, is what I did.
Oh, okay.
I sold it and bought a Chinese dirt bike. You know, for like $300.
I was gonna say, I know I've loaded a few of them for you.
Yeah. But hell, it was cheap. The guy was just getting rid of it for like $90.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Pay the man up front.
Up front? Well, cool. I appreciate it, dude.
Come on, trailer. You good to go, sir.
Put on my belt. Yeah, exactly. I'm good to go. Nice. Looks good. Nice. Looks good. Cool. It's beautiful.